Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This house, which is located in Rio Nuevo, St. Mary, boasts two master bedrooms with two bathroom en suites, four secondary bedrooms with four bathroom en suites. There are two large living and dining area space, spacious kitchen with French doors. All bedrooms are air conditioned, with three having an amazing view of the ocean. A single car garage with more than enough space for parking in the yard. This property is an amazing investment for an Airbnb or to host a large family. The total land space of this property is approximately 10,893 square feet. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, TV cable, easy access to amenities and family oriented. The asking price for this house is US 460,000 or Jamaican $71 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please remember leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.